What is going on, everyone? So as you guys know, in my earlier videos I told you I would be uploading a video on how to download Python for Mac. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download Python latest version on your Mac device. So without wasting any work with packages later on and then download them. So click on install and now just my password real quick. Now as we can see, it's downloading. Let's give it like a few minutes. Hopefully it should be less than a minute as it's sync. So as we can see, the Python is on my machine now. And if I want to test it, before I do that, I also want to run this because these are like some commands which will help you work with Python. And close this. I want to move this to trash. And now, like to test, just click Command and space on your Mac and write terminal and open terminal. And now, as you can see, if you want to test Python here, all right, Python. Okay, so it's not supposed to show me this message, but it's because I already have Python on. So let's see if the Python is working in code. So let me try print. Hello, Python. Perfect. So as you can see, the Python's working on our machine. And this is how you download Python. And this should be good to go. And that is the wrap for this video. I hope it helps you understand how to download Python for Mac. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until then, see you next time.